The ultimate guide to gig making on Fiverr, maximizing your freelancing success. Introduction. In the digital age, freelancing has emerged as a popular career choice, giving individuals the freedom to work on their own terms and earn a living by leveraging their skills and expertise. Among the available freelance platforms, Fiverr has gained significant popularity due to its user-friendly interface and wide range of services. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the art of gigging on Fiverr, giving you actionable tips and strategies to maximize your success as a freelancer. Understanding Fiverr. Fiverr is an online marketplace that connects freelancers with clients around the world. The platform offers a wide range of services, known as gigs, such as graphic design, writing and translation, programming, digital marketing, and more. Before diving into gig creation, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the platform, its rules, and its audience. Choosing the right place. To stand out in the sea of freelancers on Fiverr, it's important to identify a niche that matches your skills, passion, and market demand. Do thorough research to identify categories and subcategories that are in high demand. Consider your expertise, competition, and your ability to deliver exceptional results within your chosen niche. Creating a catchy gig title. The gig title is the first thing potential clients see, so it should be attention-grabbing and descriptive. Add relevant keywords to improve your gig's visibility in search results. Make sure your title clearly conveys the value you provide and stands out from competitors without sounding too generic or spammy. Writing a compelling gig description. A gig description is your chance to showcase your expertise, outline the benefits of your service, and establish credibility. Focus on the client's pain points and demonstrate how your gig meets their needs. Use persuasive language, bullet points, and short paragraphs to make the explanation easy to read and understand. Correct pricing. Determining the right price for your services is very important. Consider factors such as your experience, skills, market rate, and time required to complete the gig. Fiverr offers a variety of pricing structures, including fixed pricing and custom pricing, which allow you to set competitive rates considering the value you provide. High-quality visual display. Fiverr is a visually driven platform, which makes it essential to showcase your work through high-quality visuals. Include relevant samples, portfolio links, or photos that showcase your skills and previous work. Make sure your visuals are eye-catching, well-lit, and professionally presented to grab the attention of potential customers. Improving gig metadata. To improve your gig's visibility in Fiverr's search results, optimize its metadata. Use relevant keywords in your title, description, tags, and FAQ section. Do keyword research using tools like Google Keyword Planner or Fiverr's search bar to identify popular search terms within your niche. Usage of gig extras and packages. Fiverr allows you to upsell your services and offer gig extras and packages to provide added value to clients. Create well-defined packages that meet different client needs and budgets. Use these options strategically to increase your earning potential and encourage clients to invest in higher-priced packages. Providing exceptional customer service. To build a strong reputation and secure repeat clients, delivering exceptional customer service is key. Responsive, professional, and focused on client needs. Respond to messages promptly, provide regular updates, and go the extra mile to exceed client expectations. Positive reviews and client satisfaction are critical to long-term success on Fiverr. Promoting your Fiverr gig. While Fiverr provides a ready-made marketplace, promoting your gigs externally can help increase your visibility and attract clients outside of the platform. Take advantage of social media platforms, professional networking sites, and online communities relevant to your niche. Share your work, engage with potential customers, and establish yourself as an industry expert. Gigging on Fiverr offers freelancers immense opportunities to showcase their skills, connect with clients around the world, and achieve financial freedom. By carefully crafting your gig title, description, visuals, and pricing, while providing exceptional customer service, you can position yourself as a sought-after freelancer on Fiverr. Remember, success on the platform takes time and dedication, so constantly improve your gig, collect feedback, and adapt to the evolving needs of the marketplace. Embrace the possibilities, and let Fiverr be your gateway to freelance success.